Hello from IUCB. Today I will be enlightening you regarding the different stages of women's life and the care which has to be taken according to the stages of life. There are actually, we can say 6 stages in that. The first one is infancy, the infant life of the female child. Then comes the stage of puberty. The pre-puberty changes in the female body, how you have to teach the kids and all. Then comes the puberty stage. Then comes the fertile women stage, or the puberty changes into the complete womanhood where the cycles are proper, all those things. Then comes the motherhood. Then comes the middle age, and finally it is the menopause. Like it is completely different from each other. Like in the infancy, we can compare the boy child and the girl child to have the same body structure, but the functional thing, the choices will be different, the functions, the activities, the creativity will be entirely different from the male kid and the female kid, like boys and girls. Like then only we'll be differentiating. In the usual society, also there will be lot of difference in activities from the female to male, but there will be choices also will be different. So we need not like gender wise differentiate, but the activities choices will definitely vary from girl child to boy child. Then the pre-puberty stage, there will be lot of mental and physical changes going on in the body of the girl child. So we have to take care of that stage in a different way. Like breast development, there will be vaginal discharges. We have to educate them regarding that at the pre-puberty stage, so that the menarche will not shock them. And then comes the puberty. During puberty, there will be lot of changes in the women's body, and also there will be lot of changes going on in their mind because of the hormonal changes. So that has to be taken care. During that phase, we have to take care of them for about 30 to 45 days to physically and mentally support them, so that they will be ready for the next menstrual cycles. Then comes the complete fertility age, where the girl becomes completely matured by the body and the mind, so that she will be able to attain the motherhood. Before that, in that period, you have to educate them sexually active and sexually safe period, all those things, and you have to talk to them and educate them how to protect themselves and how to maintain themselves. And then comes the motherhood. During this phase, there will be lot of confusion, like preconception counseling and family planning issues. The planning of the career will be there behind their mind, so that this will be postponed in young mothers nowadays, which is not good actually for being a mother. It comes to their mind, if I become a mother, I will be fully occupied by the child, and all those things will be there in their mind. You have to educate them why it is essential to have the motherhood in their schedule, so that you will not repent in later days, because there will be reserve of ova, the eggs. The number of eggs are by the birth of the child till the end of their life, it will be the same. The reserve will be going on every day. It will be lessening. So the chances of conception will become less day by day. You have to tell them that. Then comes the middle age, where the motherhood is complete, the growth is complete, the family is complete, all the responsibilities comes to one level. At this stage, usually women get the midlife crisis. So only that is also quite important. There will be lot of hormonal changes happening inside their mind, which will affect their menopause stages. You can call it perimenopause also. So you have to take care of yourself in that stage also. Then comes the menopause. During the menopause, there will be lot of hormonal changes which will give you lot of depression, sleep deprivation, other diseases, all those things. So only in the middle age, in the perimenopause stage, if you take care of yourself properly, you can properly make yourself fit to have the menopausal issues under control. So only you have to take care of this. See, these 6 stages, if you take care of properly, then you will be reaching the menopause with a healthy and happy mood. So consult us for having all these things in detail, and we have certain medications which will help you in each stage. In the infancy, we have baby kits. For the puberty, we have a puberty kit. For the fertility, we have medicines like PCOD, antenatal and prenatal, all those things. For the motherhood, we have pregnancy kits, pregnancy assistance. Then for the menopause also, we have daily women health care kits, which will help you to maintain your hormonal levels. So contact us for complete women health care. Thank you.